Today I'm going to show you how to set up automations in Meta Business Suite. So from your homepage on business.facebook.com, which is Meta Business Suite, on the left you will see Inbox. Click on Inbox and you can go over here to the top and you'll see this little icon. And these are your automations. You're going to click on this. And here are some pre-built automations. Okay, so this is where you will find all of your built automations. And here you will find your presets. Now, this is relatively easy if you are looking for something just simple. So whichever one here you would like to use, you can literally go ahead and click on try it. And it'll take you through the process of just setting it up. But if you want some additional advanced options, on the top right, you can click on create automation. And from here, again, you can see some pre-created automations. If you want to start from scratch with absolutely nothing, you can choose to start from scratch, add a name, choose the channel that you would like to use the automation in, and then when this happens, you can create your first condition. So for example, let's say a new message is received. You can also add a condition over here. So let's say the contact location or gender is specific. Maybe the conversation has a certain label, message status assigned, message activity, or maybe there's a specific keyword or business information or status in the message. Whichever one it is, you can go ahead and choose this one. Now you can choose the action. So here you can choose what happens when a new message is received. So do you send a message? Do you add a label to it? Or do you mark it as read or unread or unseen to, whatever the case may be? So here we are going to say send message. Here, quite simply, you can type your message. You can add an action in over here. So if you have additional actions that you would like to add in, you can do so. And basically, once you're done, you'll be able to, let's just do that. Once you're done, you'll be able to then come down over here and click on save changes. And this will now be created. Now, as I said earlier on, if you'd like something a little bit more detailed without you having to do the work, like for example, commenting to a message. So share a message, reply to comments on your posts that contain specific words or specific phrases. And here you can see that this is all pre-made for you and it's a very simple layout. Again, give it a name. So what happens over here? So you receive a comment that contains one of the selected keywords or phrases. You can use up to 10 keywords or phrases, type them in over here, and then what happens? Well, this preset is a private message. So you reply to the comment as a private message, and you can type your private message here, and here you can reply on that comment as well. So as you receive this message, immediately, automatically, the person who's adding a comment will receive a message over here, as well as a reply on their comment. You're going to go ahead, click on save changes, and again, you'll see this all down over here on the bottom section. So it'll give you a status, name, goal, and the channels, and then you can click on edit to edit any of your automations.